we'll go to nav. Here we go, nav. Search. Search, I don't know, PR54EA. OK. That's it. Set as destination. Start guidance. Guidance will start now. It was going to start anyway, but that's it. We're actually here on the forecourt. So it's as simple as that to set the new system up here. I'll try and, hopefully if I get time, I'll show you how to set the Apple CarPlay up, which is really, really easy. And also, I'll also point you to a little gadget that converts it to Bluetooth Apple CarPlay, so that as soon as you get in the car, you don't have to plug it in. It just works.